are going to Clean Culture today, and we actually brought my car this time, which we usually never bring my car. We usually bring the FL5, but we brought my car today. We're not going into the show, like we're not entered or anything. We're just here to go look at the cars. So yeah, we're on our way to a breakfast shop, and after that we're gonna go get coffee with Christina, which is one of my friends, and then from there we're gonna start going to the show, because I think the show starts at 1, from 1 to 7. And honestly, whenever we go to shows, we kind of just go walk around and then that's it.
Yeah, give a quick look.
Yeah, we don't really stay for too long, but we're gonna go probably film it. We are gonna film it all for you guys, so you guys can look at what kind of cars are there and everything. And yeah, so we'll see you guys at the burrito place. Dom got us red salsa, green salsa, and red salsa. Dude, the burrito. Okay, so we just got to the coffee shop. Oh, you can barely see you. But Christina's already here. We're gonna go up to her right now. This is the first time she sees my car too. Ah, mírala, she's right there. Hi! I'm recording, by the way. Hi. We saw your car and he was like, oh, look at it. And then I was like, I think that's them. And then I turned and I was like, oh shit, it is them.
I know. I was like, oh my god, it's Type Bar. And then he's all like, oh, I think it's her. And then I was like, oh, I did see it's a girl. Because I saw your like shadow. But he said that you said hi.
Yeah, I turned and I was like, it's hella dirty from the inside too, but you can go inside. You want to go on the other side? Oh. Sit in it.
No, actually no.
No? Okay, so we just got to the coffee shop. It is, I was gonna point to the Petite nail spa. It's definitely not that one. What part did you have to pick up? Your lip?
Rear brake pad.
Oh. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're going to the Voyager coffee. It's that Christina put us on, so if it's not good, we have to blame Christina for it. Sorry. Okay, so this one's my drink. Christina?
I'm asking for more matcha, guys. I did not do this.
No. Christina's being a Karen, and I'm just kidding.
No, because, dude, this is not how it looks. I'm over here hella sad.
Oh. And then he got the same thing.
Same one.
And then Dom got the same thing because they're all a little basic and to be a little original. Okay, but we're gonna have a taste test of it if it's good. This one's called the Venus. Yeah. I should have mixed it. I'm gonna mix it.
This is a raspberry.
Mine is. Yeah. This one's good. You can taste the raspberry in it. You want to try it? It's good. You can taste the raspberry in it. I like it. I love raspberry. This place was good. Christina doesn't have to pay us our money back. Period. Okay, we're gonna go to the car meet after this, so we'll you guys.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 3 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo.
Dude, that shit is.
There's
I
nothing under.
didn't even know this shit was here. This shit was hurting, dude. Oh, man.
Wait, did you
Hey, don't. Why you getting all close?
I'm all zooming in. No, but our cars look good. Our cars look good.
I love the shine on your car.
Hey guys, we're here at King Culture. I'm here with Christina, her boyfriend.
Are you getting nervous?
Because like I know it's Narcissus, and then I'm over here like gonna say Nutty School again. Okay, ready? Okay, hey guys, I'm here at King Culture with Christina and Narcissus, and then Dom's right here fixing the GoPro because he's gonna record on there. And these are our cars. They look super cute, except for
Put mine right there on the side.
yeah. Christina's car's here too. It's in Spirit. It's here in Spirit. But we're gonna go. It's all the way over there. We're at the Levi Stadium right now, and we're just waiting on Dom.
Chief out of flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far to sky. Heard me this ash with the car, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Hopping on Zoos and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassy. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a rich and she good. Perk 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the soul.
That's so
Hard to
cute.
sense me, but I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They
I don't
copy my
think you
lingo,
can
they
see that.
biting my chain. Championship, I just gon' embassy. Bitch breaking into the look at the key. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada, bro. Get this money like it's my religion. It could be a mad, they a sad, they vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 digits off the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kids. I trap out of bando, spent 10 on the crib. I look at the ocean, the spot 30 in. Depending where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody where I'm in. I have touch her ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, but you fucking win. Niggas can't see me, you no competition. Too many breaks, you know, I know the risk. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quit. I'm about to eat like a fool with a kid. Chief out of flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me this ash with the dog, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Hopping on Zoos and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a merch, she good. Perk 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the soil. Call her the sex, bitch, but I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I just gon' embassy. Bitch breaking into the look at the key. Count up some millions and taste of my drugs. Just stuck in my memory, they want showing love. Ain't matching my fly, bitch, you know you a dub. Started this way, but now you ain't no bruh. Try to get out and I'm back on the E. Flying commercial, she ain't high as me. Driving the spaceship, the one with the wing. Cross up the trap, I done run out the key. Ain't let no fuck nigga holding me back. Put a switch on and then little nigga wet. After I hit your bitch, give him the back. Ain't got no room, put a hold on the strap. Come to the moon, ain't gon' show you no slack. Who the tycoon, ain't no regular kid. Took a few shrooms, I forget where I'm at. Popping a tough, real feeling the key. Cheap out of flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me this ash with the dog, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Hopping on Zoos and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gas. Came out the gutter, they ain't never